love this time of the day.
We do, don't we?
All right, so we have a fantastic question from Tom that is, thinking of ways to really just change his curb appeal. So
he's saying the agent keeps saying you need to do something, but what?
Yeah. Remember, if you're selling your house, the house at the front is the first things buyers would see. All right. So when they drive up, you're going to make sure that it actually feels inviting. Otherwise, they might just drive by, and you don't want that. You at least want to give them the option to come into the door.
First impressions last.
Yes.
And that's exactly true for curb appeal as well. So make sure the first impression is really catchy and make them wonder what's behind that door. Talking about a door, what about painting your door in a really vibrant color that is in contrast with the rest of your home? Because guess what? That's actually the entryway into your home.
And then also make sure that you have a number displayed at the front of your property that people can see. If people struggle to find your house number, they might just give up and go to the next open home. So nice number, well displayed.
Yeah, and a nice letterbox to go with that. That is something you actually see when you drive past. So if yours is half falling over or the paint's peeling, get it over and done with, fix it, or just get a new one.
Another idea is, if you actually have the time and the budget, maybe think about painting your driveway. If it's looking a little bit on the dingy side and it's a cement or brick driveway, giving it a great refresh immediately just makes your house stand out from the rest.
I think general things like keep your garden tidy, your garden beds, those are most common things that you'll think about. And if your neighbor's grass is like this high, just ask them and just cut their grass the day before open home or the photos. And at least your space and around your space will look nice and tidy as well. And I'm sure that your neighbors will appreciate it.
Yes. And if you have boats and cars and caravans and all those jet skis parked at the front of your property, just remove them on open day so that it makes the space feel a lot more open when buyers walk into your entry door.
And council bins are not a focal point. Right? Behind the house, they're not beautiful.
Yeah.
And your garage doors, make sure the paint on them are still in good nick. Make sure they don't pop. Garage doors is not the most beautiful thing in the world. So if you need to choose a paint them a similar color to the exterior of the house so that they blend, and that way your front door will be your focus. And lighting. Use some light around your door or in your garden, on the footpath leading up to your door. Because sometimes people drive past at night after work to go and see where's the property we're going to go and look at tomorrow. And if that is already a vibrant feeling that they're getting, you're sure they're going to pitch tomorrow.
That's it. All right. Well, have fun getting your property ready for sale.
Sounds good.
Bye.
Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
We're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves. Why styling?
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.